This cranberry orange scone bread has the texture of a moist bread, but it's shaped and it tastes just like a scone. And one of the key things to remember is to make sure that the dried sweetened cranberries are floured, as you can see in the upper right corner of this clip. And what makes this different from a regular scone is that an egg is needed in this recipe. And because this is a recipe from the UK, it is in grams, so it's imperative that you make some adjustments to make sure that when you're rolling this out or maybe spreading this out, that it's not too sticky. And even with those adjustments, I made sure that I floured the knife before I started cutting. Normally, at this time of the year, I usually make gingerbread men, but for some reason, time ran out on me, and so I decided to just make some gingerbread biscotti to add to the hamper I'll be putting together at the end of this video. And of course, molasses is the key to this most spectacular flavor. At this stage, it turns into a very sticky dough, so it is advisable to place this dough in the refrigerator for about 60 to 90 minutes to give it an opportunity to tighten up, and which makes it easier to work with. I'm now painting this with a little bit of milk because I'll be sprinkling sugar on this in just a minute. I now prepare them for their second baking process. And why not some white chocolate and sprinkles? Every year I like to create sweet hampers with a few homemade gifts for friends and family. In the next day, I'll be visiting the friends I farm with and thought to create something special for them. Cranberry orange scone bread, gingerbread biscotti, Merry, Merry Christmas to you and to yours. Until next time, I'll see you soon.